All right, Ken Orange Theory Trader back with you with another video on a trend trade analysis for New Zealand yen short. So let's not waste time and just get right into it. So remember, when we're trading trend, when we seek to trade trend, we always look first off on the 4-hour chart. Is our baseline or the 50 EMA on a downward slope? Is it pointing down, ideally towards the bottom right-hand side of the screen? Okay, the stronger the slope, the stronger we believe the trend is. So because price is below it and the EMA is pointing down, then we believe that the trend is flat. So next we just look for our basic three candle range theory, and we got it here. So this is the range candle, which was made at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we mark the range high and the low. Okay, so there we go. There's our range right there. The money candle came between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. So now we start trading at 5. I missed the best time to get into this, which was, of course, at the, between 5 and 9. However, if you miss the move and the money candle is present, your best hope for a trade is to get in around the 50% level of the money candle. The money candle should always create the high of the day. So we just take a fib and draw it from the top of the money candle to the bottom on the 4-hour chart. And I caught this trade around 9. I was actually at the grocery store and just happened to see it. So I was doing some 3x3 trades and took some losses. So I said, let me see if there's a trend trade out. And this just happened to pop up. So if we drop down to the 5-minute chart, we can get rid of our baseline. We know the trend is short. It serves no purpose on the 5-minute chart. I got in around 9 o'clock. I got in around this. I think I took my first entry around here, but then got right back out. But then once it pinned, this purple line right here is 50% of the money candle, which is in my trading range. So I got in, let's just say around here. So for the tester entry. So that's entry number 1. The stop loss, I believe, it either went above this swing high or above the high of the day. One of those two. I really just don't recall. Sorry about that. But in any event, once I got in after price pinned the 50 and started going down, then I started adding my subsequent positions because remember, we sell when price goes down. You can sell there, you can sell there, and maybe another one right here. Okay, I took 5 positions, and my risk to reward was about 1 to 3 on each of them, around that ballpark. So but obviously remember the if you don't know what I'm talking about when I'm saying pyramiding or add and when sell, you want to sell when price goes down. Look at the video that talks about the power of pyramiding, secret to big profits exposed. But the point is that when you're right, you want to be right big, okay, not small. You want to be wrong, small, but right big is the point. So you take a little tester entry. Let's say this is like $5. If it loses, that's fine. You can do that all day, okay. But if you get 1 to 3 on a $5 trade, that's $15. Okay, 5 times 3 is 15. But you just do the same thing across all of them. 1 to 3 on this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now the thing is, with a trend trade though, you really want to get 1 to 4 because you're expecting price to break out of the range. So 1 to 4 on a $5 risk, 5 times 4 is 20. So this could be 20, 40, 60, 80, possibly 100. Okay, so that's how you want to think about it. I did 1 to 3 though, because I just saw it had completely dropped. So I said, let me go ahead and just take profit. So it was down like 20 something pips from the day. I do expect it to keep dropping, but I'm not greedy. It was on my smaller high risk account. So that's what I did. And so, this was the trade here. This is how it panned out. So this was the whole thing here. But again, the main thing is that the main reason I knew to enter was that it was still in the money candles range. This is the money candle. So as long as you have like a tight money candle and it's around the 50 or so, and inside the range here, the range high, you can try to scale in and catch this downward move. You're really just looking for a trending market. Let me throw the baseline back on there. Okay, you're just looking to just capture the trend of the trade. That's all. So and remember the money candle though, it has to make the high of the day, and then it gave you time to get in, so you didn't have to, between London session here, you could have got in, or USA session here, that continuation, and price broke out the range as we expected because it was a trending trade. Obviously, you're not trading outside of the range, moves over. Okay, sorry, don't know what to tell you. But you try to get in inside the money candles range, ideally above 50% of it. After that, it's over. So you got time, but you don't have forever. So that's what you want to look for when you're looking for a short trade. Again, range, money candle. Once that money candle closes, you're in. And while the money candle didn't close exactly inside of the range, it only closed like 2 pips above it. That's fine to me. It made the high of the day, closed 2 pips above it. I'm good with that. And then we just expect price to really start trending at that point. Okay, so that's it. So again, remember the pyramid. Make your wins big. Okay, be wrong small, be right big, and then that's how you're going to survive in this game. So I appreciate your time and attention. The setups are here every single day. You just got to find them. But thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.